Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So, today we are going to start with our English language book as we are going to discuss chapter 5 alphabetical order of words. So I request you to open page number 25 of your book and have pencil in your hand so that you can note down the important points that we are going to discuss during this chapter. Okay, so during this chapter we are going to understand how we can arrange the words in alphabetical order. Okay, so first of all, where alphabetical order is required, where we use it, we use alphabetical order to refer or to introduce or to point out to dictionaries, telephone books and other such books. If I talk about alphabetical order, it is specifically used during in the dictionaries or in the telephone books or the books, the books which are similar to them. Okay, so now the thing we are going to understand is how to arrange the words in alphabetical order, and this is going to be very interesting thing because it is a kind of game. You just have to remember some of the points to make them in to arrange them in order. Other than that, it is very easy and it is like a game, and you will enjoy it a lot. Okay, so there are three steps here. The first letter order, the second letter order, and the third letter order. First of all, we are going to discuss the first letter order. Okay, so during the first letter order, we have to keep in mind some of the points which we are going to read now, and it is very easy. Okay, words are arranged on the basis of their first letter if they are not same. In the first letter order, it is very easy to do because here we have to notice, here we have to you know only keep in mind the first letter. The first letter will be different of all the words, and we have to arrange them according to alphabet. Like here, example which is given to us is chair, flowers and key. So C comes first before F and K. So chair first, then F, flowers, because F comes before K in alphabetical order. Okay, so we have to follow the ABC. While doing that, please write ABC on your notebooks so that you can do it correctly. Okay, so chair come first, flower second and third, key. Next, if I talk about some of the points here, the letters are to be arranged in alphabetical order according to the first letter, and we have to keep in mind these uh, points. First of all, we have to read the given words, as many as word given to us, we have to read them carefully. Then we have to underline the first letter. Okay, we have to underline the first letter of all the words so that it will be easy for us to recognize that which word comes first in alphabetical order. Okay, next, remember your ABCs. Always remember your ABCs. If you do not want to get confused, please write down on a rough notebook or on a page. Okay, next, put number on top of the words as per their occurrence in English alphabet. To make it more easy, you can put the numbers also on the words, on the top of the words as per they occur, as per they come in English alphabet, and then cross check. Okay, please cross check whether you have done it correctly or not by matching with ABCs, and please pay proper attention to the words which are given to you. Next, if we talk about second letter alphabet, here, as you can see on your book also, the first letter is given same, and if the first letter is the same, then we have to move on to the second letter to arrange them into alphabetical order. Okay, the same thing they have told here also. If the first letter of the words is same, then they are arranged on the basis of the second letter. Okay, as you can see here, ball, box, bucket, all the words, all the given words are starting with B, but we have to arrange them into alphabetical order, so we have to move on to the second letter so that we can arrange them. Okay, so ball A comes first, O comes second, and U come third in alphabetical order. Okay, if we follow the ABC. Okay, so second letter alphabet is also very easy. In the first letter, in the first letter order, the first letter will be different. In the second letter, first letter will be same, and we have to move on to the second letter. And in the third letter order, again, there will be two, first two letter will be same, and then we have to move to the third one. Okay, as you can see here on the example also, the first letter, the all the letters given here are starting with A, ant, apple, and astronaut. Okay, so all the words are starting with A, so we have to move on to the next letter. Okay, so in if I talk about ABC, so N comes first, then P, and then S. So first word is ant, second word is apple, and third word is astronaut. Okay, so like that we have to arrange the second letter order also. And now if I talk about third letter order, if the first two letter, as I have told you earlier also, if the first two letter of the words are same, then they are arranged on the basis of their third letter and so on. Okay, agar two letters same ho jaye, then we have to move on to the third letter. Okay, for example, here they have given socks, soldiers, and soup. All the three letters are starting with SO, SO. Then we have to move, then we have to concentrate on the third letter. If I talk about the third letter in socks, C comes first in ABC, soldier S, L come on the second, and soup come on the third. Okay, and like that we have to follow the further one also. If the three letters are getting same, then we have to move on to the fourth, and if the four letter are same, then we have to move on to the fifth, and so on. Okay, if the third letter is also same, we have to move on to the fourth letter, and so on till an uncommon letter is found. Okay, so here it is given in a nutshell. Okay, if I talk about, in the first letter, mouse, cat, pig, all the first letter I have uh, you know underline. So the first word will be here cat, second word will be here mouse, and third letter will be pig. In the second letter, all the second letters are starting with S, C, spring, snow. Okay, now we have to arrange it. First will be C, second will be snow, third will be spring. Okay, now third letter, two letters are same, band, bag, basketball. Okay, so all the three letters are starting with B, A, B, A, B, A. So which word will come first here? Bag, then band, and then basketball. Okay, and now turn on page number 26, and I have solved one for you, and other worksheet 1 and 2 you have to solve by yourself. So as you can see here in the first worksheet, they have asked us to arrange the words given below in alphabetical order. And as you can see, the first one, that I have solved for you: knife, knob, knee, and name. So here it is, third letter order. Here all the words are starting with K and K and K and K N. Okay, now we have to look at the third letter to solve it. Okay, so the first word will be here knave. Okay, second letter here will be knee, and third letter will be here knife, and fourth letter will be here knob. And like that you have to solve the second and third one. And in worksheet 2, again they had asked, arrange the words, given below in alphabetical order. Okay, all the words as you can see here, starting with p, and most of the words are having a also, commonly, and some of the words are starting with the, p r, p o. So write down the abc, and arrange them, carefully on your books. Okay, so I hope I am, I have cleared your doubts regarding, alphabetical order. Please try to do it, in an interesting way, because it is a very very interesting thing to do. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.